Hey loves, welcome back to another video. If you are seeing me for the first time, hello, it's nice to meet you. My name is Falashade. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my 100% opinion, 100% review on this frozen detox supplement. Yeah, let's get right into it. On this channel, we preach progress over perfection, because I do feel like perfection doesn't exist. As long as you are making progress, then you are good to go. If that sounds like something you're interested in, especially on your skincare, in your health generally, do click the subscribe button and join the family. So this is frozen detox. This particular one is called frozen detox dietary supplement product. So one thing there's one misconception about this product I want to first address. This product does not whiten you. This product does not whiten you. This supplement is not a whitening supplement. If you want to get whitening supplements are phytocollagen, phytobooster, glutathione, satin skin, all those supplements are whitening supplements. Jaw white, a lot of them. This particular one is like a step you have to take before you start taking your supplement. So it's supposed to help you detoxify your skin. All the gunk that your skin has accumulated, all the dirt, all the things that your skin has accumulated. This is supposed to help you. When you use this contains 60 capsules, and then when you use it like a month before you start using your supplement, it helps your supplement to work better on your skin. Because when you start using supplements, or you just jump into using supplement, the supplement first detoxifies your skin, cleanses your guts, removes all those toxins that will not make those supplements work. That's like you are putting too much burden on your supplements. So, and supplements are not cheap, they're expensive. Why not just use this first to flush out your system, flush out your toxins? It's like wanting to buy fuel, right? You want to buy fuel in a can, and you know that this keg, now that there's fuel scarcity, you want to buy fuel in a keg. I know that this keg is not very clean, right? It's not very clean. Maybe there's something else inside before. You take a little bit of fuel, just small petrol, and use it to like wash this thing before you actually get a filling station to buy. Do you understand? Maybe you have small fuel at home, use it to wash the keg, throw it out and make sure the keg is clean before going to the filling station to buy fuel inside. It doesn't make sense when you get to the filling station and they now dispense small fuel for you. You first use out of that fuel to, wash the keg and throw it away before you now start buying your fuel. That is you wasting fuel. That is you wasting product. That is you wasting money. Okay, so yeah, that's how best I know how to explain this. So it is like you have to use it first to cleanse your guts, to detoxify your system, so that your glutathione or whatever supplements you want to eventually use will work. So when I started using this, the things people said before I even started at all, people said it helps with weight loss. So let's address that. I would not 100% say it helps with weight loss, but it doesn't just not do anything. Hear me out. It makes me, when you are using these weight loss teas, flat tummy teas, the bowel movement, this increased bowel movement, you tend to go to the toilet more, you tend to, use the toilet more, it tends to upset your stomach. That's what this did for me the very first few days I started using it. Okay, it gave me mild bowel movement. It's not something I would use and I would not be able to go out. No, I would still be able to go out, but I know that I might have to use the toilet. I might have to do number 2 any moment. It gave me mild bowel movement and it suppressed my appetite. Okay, it suppressed my appetite. The time is about 12 noon and I've not eaten anything today and I am not hungry. That's because of this. There are some days I'm not hungry and I just go ahead and eat. There are some days you are not hungry and you just go ahead and eat. But this, if you are conscious, if you know that you are trying to work on your weight, you are trying to maybe shed some weight, lose some pounds, you are conscious about it, this will not even make you hungry at all. Maybe till around 1, 2 before you are hungry. So yeah, I really like it for that. And then some people say it gives them clear skin. To be honest, I didn't pay any attention to to eat whether it gave me clear skin or not. I literally, I use a lot of skincare products on my skin. So if my skin is getting clear, I don't know, it's probably because of my skincare products or it's because of this one. So I can't say that it gives me clear skin or it gave me clear skin. but other people have said it helps, clear their skin. And I do understand how it may help clear skin, because the things inside our system, some of them cause acne because some of the toxins, some of the dirty things in our system. So if this helps to cleanse the system, it probably does help to do something on your skin as well. I can't tell, I can't really tell, but people say it also helps clear their skin. The next thing I want to talk about is how to know the original. Okay, so I do know that the fake of this product is quite rampant in town now, and when the product is good, that's when people get the fake. So yeah, look at this QR code here. If you buy any frozen detox and it doesn't have this QR code, you probably bought the fake. I am not saying you automatically bought fake, or I'm not saying emphatically that you bought the fake, but I'm saying that if you want to buy this thing, please look out for this QR code here. There's something I've come to learn. There's something I've come to realize, that when I want to buy any product at all, whether skincare products, whether edible products or anything, or even electrical gadgets, I'll first look at the packaging, look at everything, and see if it has QR code. There and then, before I pay for it, I tend to scan the QR code. Then you know whether it is original or fake. Most times your phone comes with QR code. Like I use a Samsung Note 10, and then it has an option for QR code. It's like when you want to turn on your data, when you swipe down, you want to turn on your data, there's somewhere like that for QR code on my phone. But if your phone doesn't have it, you can always download an app. Just go to Google Play Store, go to maybe Apple Store, and just type QR code scanner. You download the scanner, and then when you click on it, it comes like a camera. Just place it on this and scan. You know how you scan when you want to send something via Zender? Yeah, just scan it, and then it takes you to the page. If it is original, it will tell you genuine product. And if it is not original, you bought something that is not original, and I will not advise you to use it. Okay, so at this point, please take a moment to click the red button down below. That's the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. You will not be charged. You will not be asked for your ATM pin or ATM bank details or anything. Just click on the subscribe button. That will enable you know that when you are scrolling YouTube and you will see more of my content. And then if you want to take it a step further, you can click on the bell icon somewhere beside this subscribe button, so that when I upload any new video, you'll be notified. You will now go and be looking for my name up and down, because it happens. There's actually a channel I've been watching for over a year, and then I just randomly realized that I didn't subscribe to that channel. Most times, because I watch their content, YouTube brings the content for me, or sometimes I just go on YouTube and just search for the name. And then I didn't it was just very recently I realized that I had not even subscribed to the channel. So to avoid such mistakes, please click the red subscribe button down below. So yeah, for the price, it is I got this one for 4,000 naira, and other people sell for maybe between 4,000 to 7,000 naira. But if you want to buy in bulk to resell, you can get it at a cheaper price. Then that's basically it. There's another one called frozen collagen. Frozen collagen also looks like this, but it's in a blue pack. That one is normal supplement. You can use that one. That one has collagen and I think a little bit of glutathione. You can use that one, and you expect a little bit of brightened skin, not whitened skin. But this one doesn't whiten you, or it doesn't brighten you. It just detoxifies your skin. That's basically it for this video. And yeah, it contains 60 capsules. Yeah, it contains 60 capsules, and this is what it looks like. I use two in the mornings, 2 at night. I use 2 in the mornings, 2 at night. This is what it looks like, and it just smells like green tea. You know how normal green tea smells like? Yeah, it smells like green tea. And if you want to use this to get the best out of it, I would advise that you use it with vitamin C. Okay, I would advise that you use it with vitamin C. Vitamin C also helps to boost your immune system. So by the time you are using this to flush out toxins, your immunity is getting stronger. It makes it more effective. I use it early in the morning. I use two tablets early in the morning, and I take vitamin C. That's the effervescent one, the ones you dissolve in water. You can only use that one once per day, because it's 1,000 milligrams. So I take 2 capsules of this, then with just 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C in the mornings, and then at night I take 2 capsules of this, when I want to sleep. Or there are times I don't even remember to take it at night, but I know that I always take 2 capsules in the morning. It says here that you should take you can use 2 capsules per day, and the maximum you can use is 4. So on days when I just want to just use it, I use 2 in the morning, 2 at night, but most times I just use 2 in the mornings, and that is it, guys. What else do you guys think I should mention? That's all. That's basically it for it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. And in case all my jewelry they enter your eye, I mean the seller, this is my personal jewelry brand, so every single jewelry you see me wearing today are from my jewelry brand. And yeah, this shirt is, well, a new one. It's a new one. And yeah, that's it. Let me not do any shenanigans. I will see you in another video. Peace out.